With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In an electron microscope, resolution that can be achieved is of order of wavelength of electron used. To resolve a width of 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter, the minimum electron energy required close to. So if you see here, you can get the wavelength. If you see the width is this, so we will write down the width should be equals to the wavelength, right? That is this, for this to be resolved, right? And we know that the de Broglie wavelength is equals to Planck constant by momentum, that is mv. So I will write down. Now if you see, I will write down kinetic energy is equals to p square by 2m, momentum square by 2 times of mass, so it is h square by 2m lambda square. So you can just put the value, right? So if you see, the value of h is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34, square of it, and in division I will write down, it is 2 times of mass. So mass of electron, we know that it is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, and lambda square is 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 12 square. So as you will solve this, you will get the kinetic energy is equals to, so if you see here, this will be the energy in joule, right? All the energy we have took in the, if you see, it is in, this is in joule per joule second, and this is in kilogram, and this is in meter, right? If you see, this de Broglie wavelength is in meter. So if you see here, you will get the energy in joule. So to get the energy in electron volt, we will divide it with charge on one electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And if you see, after dividing this, you will get the kinetic energy in electron volt. It will be equals to, so I will take 1000, I will divide it with 1000, and you will get this. Now you can just check for the option here. D is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.